Enjoy this essential oil meditation for mothers to honor the mothers who nourish and take care of the world. For a deep meditation experience, use the doTERRA Malama Blend to feel nourished and supported. To receive as so often you give. Use this meditation for moms as a special Mother's Day meditation or for your daily meditation practice when you need support. A meditation for women who give of themselves to help each other. The Malama doTERRA blend contains wild orange, which is abundance and the gift of energy and nourishment from the sun. Cedarwood, which is community, so feel connected to a community of mothers who are doing their best to take care and nourish their children and the future. Coriander is integrity and organization. So when you're caught in that cycle of giving too much to others and not looking after yourself, coriander helps recalibrate your priorities so you can model a life of balance and love. Lemongrass helps us as mothers to let go, to let the past go and know that it's okay not to be perfect. Magnolia is compassion. It's the love of the Divine Mother, reminding us that we too are worthy of love, just as we shower our love upon others. Ylang is a beautiful oil that is nourishing and supportive. And the message of ylang is to allow yourself to bloom. Nile wood is a special oil in this blend that's a supportive tree for sandalwood. So think of this as your sacred support. And Hawaiian sandalwood is that sacred space. It helps us to slow down and recenter, to take time to simply be. And this is a great place to start with our meditation. So use your Malama Blend or one of the oils from the blend, or any of the oils listed in the Best Essential Oils for Meditation guide. Simply place a drop on your palms, rub your hands together, and take 3 deep breaths. And find yourself a comfortable seat with your spine aligned. You may even choose to sit against a wall to feel that support behind you. And begin to simply notice your breath. Breathing in to receive and breathing out to let go, surrender, and relax. Simply breathing in to receive and breathing out to let go. Feel your shoulders release. Allow them to grow heavy and release down towards the floor. Allow your breath to soften and to lengthen. You give so much of yourself as a mother, as a woman. For a moment with the flow of your breath, allow yourself to receive and to replenish. And with your next inhale, receive abundance and nourishment from the sun and the earth around you. And the support below you and around you, feel connected to a community of mothers who are doing their best to take care and nourish their children and the future. Imperfect mothers who are able to let go of the past and courageously move forward. Simply breathe in and simply breathe out. And give yourself a single breath to recalibrate, recenter, and remember to love yourself. You looking after yourself is the greatest gift you can give to others. Model a life of balance and love. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And as you breathe out, let the past go. It's okay not to be perfect. The love of the Divine Mother reminds us that we too are worthy of love, just as we are. And take a few moments to simply breathe in and out. And as you breathe in, receive love and support with each breath. And as you breathe out, allow yourself to relax. And in that relaxation, feel yourself opening up, allowing your heart to open, to unfurl, and to bloom. Simply breathing in to receive and breathing out to release. To let go, feel that tension release from your body. Remember that you have this tool, your breath, to use whenever you need to just take that break and feel that support. And thank yourself for taking the time to slow down and recenter today. To take time to simply be. As a woman, a mother, you carry so much. You nourish and take care of the world. So for these moments, feel as though you shared that load. Feel the support of the community around you, those you know and don't know. Feel that love and acceptance. And you can slowly open your eyes, coming back to the present. And if you enjoyed this essential oil meditation for mothers, please like the video and comment below. And feel free to explore another meditation if you have time, and subscribe to be notified when a new essential oil meditation or Ayurvedic tip is released. There's a link in the comments to the best essential oils for meditation guide for more resources to deepen your meditation experience and to be more consistent with the daily meditation practice. Namaste.